My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Nissan Juke. This vehicle has done just under 70,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and a keyless ignition. We also have automatic headlights and automatic wipers. On the screen we can get quick access to radio, CD and aux. We also have map, navigation, information and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.